Hello guys, good morning.
Hi!
Hello. Welcome to my channel. Good
Welcome.
morning.
Ano parang yung chicken sa kuya?
Welcome to DJ The Huyas channel. Alright. We're sending now the Tamila to the Philippines.
Yes.
For good guys, for good.
So sad.
Babalik pa yan.
Ayan, magbabalik pa yan. Kasi maghanap ng adonis siya dito.
Wala nga doon siya lumayan.
Ano ba yung adonis na yan? Ba't nag-ano yung adonis na yan?
Matay na si Adonis.
Ayan guys. We're on our way. Ayan yung airport link. Airport link BTS nila guys, no train. No? Direkta yan. Direkta yan din guys doon sa ano, sentro ng Bangkok. Point to point yan. Yes.
Soon, baby.
Yeah, here we go guys. We are approaching now the Kuala Lumpur Airport. International Airport. Dito namin natin si ano, si Tamalay. Ayan si Tamalay.
Tita Rosalinda.
Rosalinda.
Wearing the socks.
Ayan. Welcome to Suvarnabhumi Airport. Ayan guys, ganda ng airport nila dito. Ayan yung sonahan guys, so yung tower ng airport. Yes. Ito yung daan guys, so ganda. Dito tayo, park pala tayo. Ayan. Sa park muna tayo guys.
Wala naman sigurong ano dyan, ate, ano, no?
Ayan guys, pasok na kami sa airport. Bye bye Tito Melines. Hello. Let's go, let's go. Dito kami nakapasok sa gate 8. Glass wall yan lahat. Glass wall yan guys. Dito tayo sa ayan, paakit na kami guys. Ito. Alright. Nila guys, oh. Glass wall. Hello? Where's DJ? Where's DJ? Yeah, we're sending to Tamalay. Here we go guys. Send namin siya sa, ano, sa check-in. Check-in area. Okay. Ayan. Ayan guys, dito yung check-inan ng mga bagahe. Check-in area. Okay.
Sige na, ako na dito.
Ayan. Look at that guys. Napaganda ng airport nila dito. Ayun yung mga waiting area here. Look. Ayan, glass wall yan guys, glass wall. Napakalinis. World class siyempre. Ayan, yung mga letters na check-inan nyo. Tingnan mo lang sa ticket kung saan ka anong letter. Depende sa airlines na anuhin mo guys. Okay. Ayan guys, so ganda ng mga design nila. Ayan. Wala maraming tao guys. Actually, normal yung normal talaga. Busiest, one of the busiest airport guys. Pero ngayon kasi nasa ano tayo, under carbonara tayo. So,
Swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
ayun sila guys. Wait pa, naklit 2:30 pa ang flight pero maaga kami ngayon. Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon sa okay.
I could swear that I'm fainting. I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
Hello guys. Traffic sa glass wall siya. Dito yung departure, dropping area, so you can even drop. Departure area to the fifth floor. Ayan. Diba guys, ang ganda oh. Ganda. Okay, pasok tayo sa loob ulit guys. Actually galing ako sa loob kanina, lumabas lang ako. So let's get inside again.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
Actually, ito limitado na tao eh. Kasi, under carbonara pa rin tayo. So, limitado ang pandemic. Pero kung normal days to guys, walang pandemic. Mga oras namin na 24 hours. Ah, andito pala sila. Hello guys. Hello. Ayan, ito ang ating ihatid ngayon. Maghanap na siya ng Adonis doon sa Pinas. Oh. Ayan, si Tita Melay. Going home to the Philippines for...
Magpapakasal pero hindi ko na tuloy ang uwi pa rin siya.
Ah, buti. Ah, dito rin sila Ma'am Tintin. Hello. Bye, Jay. Ayan, uwi na sila. For good na sila, guys. Buti pa sila, guys. For good na. Kami ewan, kailan pa. Oh, look at this one, guys. Look at this one, guys. They have, soap. Wow. Look at that. Look at that soap check in here. Alright. Bago lang to, guys. Magana. Ito yung map na ano guys. Oh, go lang. Video lang tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang video.
Okay. O, tayo naman.
Sige, pasok ma'am. Pasok ma'am doon.
Hindi lang po.
Sige. Go on, clouds. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Okay na. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ingat. Kontak lang. Kumusta sa Pinas? Yan. Yes. So, andito yung estudyante ng ate ko. Ate Inday, andito yung estudyante mo. Oh. Ay, putik. Oh, bumanat pa oh. Oh, wala daw sila makain. Kawawa naman sa mga batang to. Kawawa naman mga batang to, guys. Sa mga ano na to, mga batang sa gigilid na to. Okay, bye-bye.
Swear that I'm fading. I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good.